welcome back to the Traders Expo here in Las Vegas at the Bally's Paris Resorts. I'm your host, Mark Leibovit, and I've had the fortune this afternoon of meeting a lot of very special guests, one of which is sitting next to me right now, a good friend, Harry Boxer from the TechTrader.com. Harry and I go back quite a bit. We know each other and we work together. In fact, I interview Harry on my weekly Wall Street Raw radio program, but more than that, Harry runs an exquisite, very exciting trading room at the TechTrader.com, which I follow during the day when I'm in front of my screen offering trades, and we're going to sit here and talk a little bit about that trading room and what Harry does. Harry doesn't really care so much about the stock market per se, but what's happening intraday. Harry, thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
Okay, let's talk about the TechTrader.com, how it's so unique, what you do that's different.
I think that I do something that not too many traders do. I put my butt on the line all day. Basically, I tell people what patterns are developing intraday on 1 minute patterns. I show them how they are developing and potentially setting up for a move. And when they do make that move, I'll put out a buy alert, and I'll give them support, resistance, targets, stops. I'll make sure that they know what to expect from that trade. And pretty high degree of probability in our room. We have some fantastic traders. There's several hundred people in there every day with us, very accomplished, successful traders, and it's a nice place to be when you're trying to learn as well.
Right, and what's so neat is, I'm like a commercial for Harry on a certain level, but you know, it's well deserved. You don't really know or care what the market is doing per se, because I'll turn on his live trading room in the morning, and some stocks somewhere, usually a group of them, are moving in different directions, and he's jumping in. And some are names I've never even heard of, but it doesn't make a difference, and he's sort of impervious to what's happening in the real world. It's really amazing. You get a lot of great input there too during the day, I notice.
Yeah, thank you. And I believe that it's not even important on a day trade what a company does or what the current news is. It's what the patterns are showing, what the volume and where the support and resistance is, and whether a stock is trending that day. And if it trends, usually in the stock gaps and starts to run, it'll trend most of the day, if not all day.
Right.
And so you can stay in the trade all day, and what I call a low stress trade, that you don't have to worry about where do I sell, just keep raising your stops.
And on the short side as well, not only long trades.
I publish a list called Boxer Shorts.
Yes.
For some of my people.
I like that.
That for more of the swing trades on the short side, and there's been some great ones this year. But I also publish a list called the Top 25, which I consider the top 25 trends currently. And but from day trades, we usually trade momentum trades, stocks that are moving for a reason on volume, and when they're trending in a certain direction, we want to try to milk the trend for as much as we can.
Okay. So we're going to take a break here, and when we come back, we're going to try to get into some specific stocks and ideas and sectors that Harry has a bit of an opinion on an intermediate term basis, maybe even short term basis. Don't touch your dial. We're at the Traders Expo talking to Harry Boxer.